This is the voltage divider calculator, which calculates the output voltage and current in a resistor divider circuit. The calculator has three input fields. First is Input Voltage Vin, where you enter your source voltage in volts. Second is Resistor R1 in ohms, which is the resistor connected between the input voltage and the output. Third is Resistor R2 in ohms, which is the resistor connected between the output and ground. Let me demonstrate with a simple example. I'll enter 10 volts for the input voltage Vin. For resistor R1, I'll enter 10 ohms, and for resistor R2, I'll also enter 10 ohms. When I click Calculate, the results show an output voltage Vout of 5,000 volts, which makes sense because with equal resistors, the voltage divides exactly in half. The current shown is 500,000 milliamps, which is the total current flowing through both resistors in series. This current calculation helps you determine the power dissipation in your circuit and ensure your resistors can handle the load. This calculator saves time when designing voltage reference circuits or signal conditioning. Find the link in the description below.